Gazte Ekoliderrak in Basque, Young Eco-Leaders in English. This is a new and innovative program promoted by Kutxa to create a network of committed and activist young people that will face the challenge of sustainability in our region. Kutxa is a savings bank. We have a financial muscle represented by the blue in our new logo and a social soul represented by the green. A third of all our profits are invested in social projects, and among those, sustainability projects are key. We wanted to form a network which was diverse, both in terms of backgrounds and also in terms of geographical spread across the whole of our region. And for that, we were looking for young people who were both committed to sustainability issues and who shared a sense of urgency on the need for action to address these issues, and also young people who were action-oriented, who were willing to take action to address these problems. The difficult issues of sustainability, which require new approaches, new innovative solutions, addressing those issues on a holistic perspective. We only had 30 places and many applicants. So eventually, those were the lucky 30 who managed to get in. And it wasn't easy, really, the interviews. Some people came very prepared, but maybe they didn't show enough motivation. Others came very motivated, but didn't have enough knowledge about the issues. So eventually we have to strike the right balance, and as I said, those were the lucky 30.
We have designed the project to have 3 interrelated phases: train, act, and network. Train. Our goal has been to provide our future leaders with the right knowledge and leadership skills.
Being a leader is something you can learn.
Nos han ayudado a entender la conexión entre la dimensión ambiental, social y económica del desarrollo sostenible.
It's been very fun.
Act. We have focused on how many little actions can all add up to global significant contributions.
Motibatzen gaituzten 5 proiektu garatu ditugu talde txikietan.
Kontzientzia ekologikotik praktika jasangarrietara igarotzeko erremintak eman dizkigute.
Orain, nire auzoko kontsumo taldearen sortzaileetariko bat naiz.
Ekoliderrak bloga sortu eta sare sozialak sortu eta erabili ditugu.
Network. We have set up the basis for a fruitful network of sustainability leaders to emerge.
Gure sarea sortzear gaude.
Gure hirietako zirikatzaile ekologikoa gara.
The network has given us the chance of meeting different kind of people.
Well, this is the Young Eco-Leaders program. Some of its results we are already seeing, but its future potential is even bigger. Our aim is to train 150 of these young people in the next 5 years. And with this, we really aim to have a very powerful network.